Standard trend lines only tell you what direction price is going, but the trend angle tool tells you the geometric velocity of that move. To use this, go to your left side vertical toolbar and open the Trendline Tools menu. Select Trend Angle. Click once at the start of a trend, drag your mouse to the next major pivot point, and then click again. To make this data mathematically accurate, you can right-click your actual price scale and check Lock Price to Bar Ratio. Locking the ratio ensures the geometry stays mathematically perfect even when you zoom in or out. Now, you might be asking, why does this matter? Because the 20-degree angle shows weak momentum that will likely chop sideways, whereas a 45-degree shows a healthy, sustainable trend, and an 85-degree angle visually warns you that the asset has gone parabolic and is usually unsustainable. It's measuring velocity, not just direction, as normal trend lines do. Have a great day, guys.